That one hit me with some intentions. That one hit with bad intentions. Oh, I left my bucket in the house. God dog it. She ain't big, but she won. That puts the skunk off the boat for the morning. Ain't she cute, folks? Ain't she cute? Baby crying. All right, that's 2 dinks on this spot. If I catch another dink without catching a keeper, we out of here. We're gonna keep on moving. We're gonna keep them. Actually, we should just keep it moving now. I woke up late this morning, and I still gotta work, so we'll get one more. That one ain't a dink. That one ain't a dink. Oh, no, she ain't. He said, who you calling a dink? My name is Shirley. Big Shirley. Oh, come here, girl. Come here, girl. Well, what is happening, YouTube? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Today is another one of these days that end in Y. So you know that makes it a great day to go fishing. It's Drysdale and I'm out here on Lake Oconee. Another one of these days I gotta go to work too. So I'm gonna see if I can put me some fish in the boat before I have to go punch the clock again. I'll be in session all day. And then I'm going on home. But if I can catch me some of these, it's worth it, it's worth it. Hey baby, hey baby, daddy love you, baby, daddy love you. So folks, thank you for watching, and if you haven't already done so, folks, go ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with, catching more of these evil, but sure enough tasty crappie. So let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fish with Drysdale. Let's go get them. She gonna make it, baby. Ooh-wee. There we go. There we go. This one, oh, hit my skittle too. She ain't big. Oh, she might make it. Neighbor fish fry, she'll make it. We'll give it to him. Fish didn't wait on me. Thank you for not waiting. Thank you for your patience or lack thereof. This one is a nice one. That one's a nice one. So they aren't as finicky as they have been. So catching a good amount of fish this morning. She's gonna make it. Oh crap. I threw that fish off the back of the boat. God dog it. She's still growing. Turn this so that if I see something on the water, I got the brush line to put my drone up in there, folks. I'm back. My drone is back. You might have seen that I crashed it, having it follow me through the woods one day. But DJI, that insurance, they sent me a new one. That one came up and got it. Come here, come here, come here, come here, little fella. You don't make it. She might be right at 10 inches. That'd be good fillet. Hey, folks, let me tell you while I'm sitting here talking about fillets. I'm telling you, I did a video earlier this week. I took my crappie fillets and I cooked some bacon, and I cooked these crappie fillets in that bacon grease. Oh my goodness. If you haven't tried that, cook yourself some bacon. Let that bacon grease sit. Don't cook your bacon too high because you know it gets so hot. Take them crappie fillets, put them in that bacon, sear them in that bacon, cook them in that bacon. Take them jokers, put them on some bread, or do them how you want to do them. I've done it with bacon a couple of different ways, but I made this one just a regular old crappie sandwich. So I had crappie fillets, I had bacon, and I had put some pepper jack cheese on it. Just put a little bit of tartar sauce just so I had some kind of saucy on it. I could have put hot sauce on it, but it didn't need any hot sauce. Ooh wee! Thank me later. She's still growing. Double that time. She gonna make the cut. She's small, but I wouldn't keep her, but I got somebody that would. Let's see if I can just load the boat up with fish with it. I'm gonna take them some fish that they gotta go clean. They gotta work. We give you some work today, Keith. We give you some work today. That's my neighbor's name, Keith. Wolfpack. I'm gonna stay up in there. Wolfpack. I'm gonna get Wolfpack. I'm gonna get one of the wolves. Oh, Wolfpack didn't go. I saw a crappie creeping up on me. What are you doing? I saw the Wolfpack coming. You gonna make it, baby. You gonna make it. She gonna make it. All right. I am reminded on a Garmin live scope forum, somebody asked me for my settings. I told them I would take a screenshot of my settings. Let me do that now. That one hit mosquito. She is gonna make the cut. Oh crap! She's still growing. God dog it, folks. I said I was gonna cut my tag off. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it now while I done missed the fish. She's still growing, folks. She's still growing. Dang flash. Well, they ain't as finicky this morning as they have been. So I'm using this morning a 1/32 ounce jig. I haven't had to go to my skittle, but I ain't catching any big fish either. So this one's a 1/32 ounce jig head, and that's a crappie bait by CMI. I don't know what the color's called, but it's one of those crappie baits by CMI as always. Enough of these babies. That's enough of these babies out of here. All right, folks, we're gonna go ahead and move on. One big Shirley out of there and 4 or 5 babies. It's fun to catch, but nothing to keep. Come here, girl. You done made my line twitch. This one might be too small for you. This will be an insult to send to somebody. To take it to somebody. And I might get charges. Don't mess with no kids. Don't mess with no kids. We ain't doing no Jeffrey Epstein or somebody else you know that's orange. Or R. Kelly. Go on out here now, get. You was there, little fella. You wasn't even know you was there. That was a little bit small too. Uh-oh. I done messed around and jumped. Got the nursery bite. We're gonna move on to the next one. What is it going on? It's 8 o'clock now. 10 after 8. I got about another hour I can fish. Going out of here now, good. All right, here's what I switched up to. This is what I call my skittle. A skittle is a 1/64 ounce jig head with this little 1-inch bait. This is a Crappie based by CMI. That's typically what I use. And why Crappie based by CMI? It's a great bait. I really like it because it's durable. What I just did with this bait is it got beat up. I don't know if y'all can see that it's toe up on the other end, but it got beat up on one side and I just turned it over and I can still use this same bait. I don't know why I act like I ain't got enough baits, but I do. Oh, there we go. See, even when you turn the bait around, come here, girl, you gonna make it. She's a little bit bigger than the other one, but she big enough that she gonna make it. Come here, girl. He'll appreciate you. Uh-oh. Oh, I just broke off. Well, glad it broke off in the boat. Can I get my bait back, baby? Can I get my bait back? Where'd it go? Where did my bait go? It ain't in your mouth. That's a small fish, but my neighbor would like it. Oh! These fish think they slick. I didn't feel a thing, and I'm not trying to. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to put the fish in the boat. So what I'm doing is I'm dropping the line out there. I'm letting that line lay across the water, because you may not feel the thump. So as I watch that line, especially in still water, it's really, really, really good. And that's why I like to go to my skittle in still water. But when you lay that line across the water and you just see a little twitch, set the hook. Hook sets are free. You won't feel it, just a little tick on that line. Set the hook. That's what they doing, because they so finicky. Okay, come here. Come here. That one ain't big either. She's small. She's small. Oh, wait a minute. I think she's small, so I'm not, well, yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it, folks. No, I'm not. Like I said, we're not Epstein. We're not the orange one, and we're not R. Kelly. I'm out here, or. That's another one of these babies. I'm gonna go hit up another spot, folks, and then we're gonna get out of here and go get to work. It is 8:24 right now. Going out here, fat girl, fat youngin'. Should have left. Sun's coming up. I better keep this thing over my face. About to get warm. All right, folks. That is going to wrap it up for this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. I got to get up and go punch that clock. We'll let you take a look at what the fish look like in this live well. I got my drone back. Thank you, DJI Support, for the insurance that I bought on this drone because I crashed the last one. So folks, as always, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who leaves those comments, and everybody who hits that like button. For my long-term subscribers, you already know what it is. Thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across my channel, or if somebody recommended the channel to you, and you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with, catching more of these evil but sure enough tasty crappie. So until the next time, folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.